Hey everyone! So in this last tutorial, the most exciting tutorial, we're going to deploy our simple storage dApp onto the web, so you have a link that you can share with others and others can actually use your app. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is open the Readme file that I have linked under the video and go to the very end of this file. It says sharing your dApp with others. So this will give you instructions that you can follow along and that you can use later on future decentralized application that you deploy. So the first thing you want to do is to push your code to a GitHub repository. So I have this here, and this is the simple storage dApp that you've seen in the previous videos, and I just push this to GitHub as a new repository, and this repository is called test simple storage. So this is my repository with all the files that I had on my computer. Now it's on GitHub. If you don't know how to push files to GitHub or folders, click on the video above. I made a video just for you so you can learn how to push your files locally into a GitHub to create a new repository. So pause the video. Once you have your new repository, let's go back to the Readme file. And here you'll see you have to go to Vercel and create a new account and connect it to your GitHub. And once you have your GitHub account connected, you want to create a new project. So eventually you'll have this, you go to add new, and you'll go into new project, right? Make sure that you're in the dashboard. That will usually be the main area where you need to be. Create new project. And this new project, I have this already connected, but this is an old version. So let's do the new version. We see that my GitHub charming data is my GitHub and right here, and that is connected. But I only want certain repositories to have permissions. So I'm only going to connect the test repository, test simple storage. So I go here, add permissions, let's go all the way down, and let's say select repositories only, and let's do the test simple storage, save. Perfect. So now that I have the test simple storage, I'm going to click on import, and here, let's go back to the Readme file. Here you'll see that we have to choose Next.js as the framework preset and front end as the root directory. So we'll do framework preset Next.js because we're using Next for the front end, and in the root directory we have to click the front end, continue, right? Redirect to edit to select front end and then click deploy. That is it. There we go, deploy. And this will take a few moments, so we're going to pause the video and come back as soon as it's done. Okay, looks like it's done. It took about a minute. Now let's go to continue to dashboard. Let's see where I can see it. And here it is, test simple storage. Let's copy the link. Let's go to my other browser. There you have it. We have our app, we can connect to our wallet, and then we can get the stored sentence, and everything works. And now we have the link that we can share with other people to test this app out and actually use it. And don't forget to sign up to this YouTube channel, turn on your notifications so you get notified of every video that I make in the future, which is every 4 or 5 days, and learn blockchain with me. Always remember, we're better together, so help each other out. Until next time, bye-bye.